Time. People have been determining time and its changes in terms of days, weeks, months, and years using sun position since ages. They had been using sunrise, sunset, midday sun positions, etc. to know the period during the day. We still do certain things based on the sun's position. When the sun rises, it is called morning. And what do we do in the morning? We get up from the bed, have breakfast, and go to school. And when the sun sets and the beautiful moon comes out with the twinkling stars, it is night. What do we do at night? We sleep at night. Measurement of time. Measurement of time has been very important for the human race since beginning. If you think about our everyday life, many things must be accomplished in one day. Therefore, it becomes necessary to constantly watch time to make sure that everything goes on schedule. In order to reach school on time, your parents must wake you up on time. They themselves need to be prepared to go to work. Hence, they need to do all chores on time. Your mom need to get the meals ready on time. Then there will be after school activities like games, homework and entertainment. Your parents will have other works too which need to be completed before everyone sleeps. In short, keeping time or time measurement is critical for all of us to live efficiently. Today, time is determined with the help of watches and clocks. Have you ever wondered how ancient people worked out their ideas of keeping time? This must be a very interesting story. First of all, they would have noticed the regular movement of sun. This movement causes day and night. Later, movement of moon and stars would have been noticed. Measurement of time would have developed further. Later, they would have noted the changing size of shadows with the movement of the sun. This would have led them to the development of sundial. Sundial works on the principle of changing shadow length with the course of day. Sundial is supposed to be invented in Egypt. Famous sundial in India are Jantar Mantar, located at Jaipur, Delhi, Lucknow, Mathura, Varanasi. But the famous ones are of Delhi and Jaipur, and Sun Temple in Konark, Orissa. This is an image of Jantar Mantar, and this is the image of Wheel of Sun Temple, Konark. Wheels of Sun Temple are very advanced sundials which can be used to calculate time accurately to minutes. We will learn how Wheel of Sun Temple measures the time after we learn about measuring time with present day clocks. Sundial would not have worked during cloudy weathers or in night. Hence, different civilizations developed different type of clocks to measure time. Some of them are water clock, hourglass, candle clock, incense clock, moon clock. These are different type of clocks which are generally used. In modern days, generally analog clock which has a numbers from 1 to 12 is used, or digital clock which uses the number from 0 to 24, as there are 24 hours in a day. In analog clock, the hour hand moves one round from 12 midnight to 12 noon and the other round from 12 noon to 12 midnight. Hence, in analog clock, the hour hand moves twice in 24 hours. Whereas in digital clock, the clock starts from 00 hours to 24 hours. 00 hours to depict the midnight, and to depict noon it is 12 hours, and to depict the end of the day, that is 12 at midnight, it is 24 hours. Happy learning!